Hey guys, my name is Rudy. Sorry for the background noise. My neighbor's doing his roof, and we're going to be working on our roof as well. So a few months ago, I was looking at exploring if I wanted to do these gutter guards. Got a sample here. This is what I bought. It's 50 feet of this. And first we're going to take a look at what's happened to my roof since the last time we were here. Then we'll go through a cleaning process. And when we're done with the cleaning process, we're going to install the first 50 feet. This is actually the most problematic areas right here, with the big tree over there. And as we climb up, this is a good time to know that your roof work was actually done well. So what's happening here is you can see there's some stuff in here. There's only been less than a month, and it already kind of looks like this. The one piece back there laying flat is the one that we actually installed here a little while back, and it's got some stuff on it. I think I'm gonna try to install it at an angle, and I'm only gonna be drilling actually into this right here. This area over here is what I'm looking at drilling, just this. I'm leaving the fascia alone. Fascia underneath is good for support, too much weight on this thing. So first thing to do, we're gonna flush this out with water, clean it out again, and then we're gonna go ahead and install them. I'll show you what's kind of involved in that, and then we'll come back and rejoin me on progress on how things actually turned out, or how they're going. I bought 50 feet because it's a good test to kind of see what would happen and see how well it works or doesn't. Other side of the roof, it'll be easier to show you exactly what's happening. But what I do here is I take the flat side here and I put it as close as I can, and I'm going to flush it down like this. And at this angle is where I'm going to secure it. I'm going to see what happens. Now the corners are going to be interesting. I'm going to have to bend some stuff there. We'll see how that goes. That'd be the interesting part, because these are seamless, the ones I have on this house. But so I'm just going to put my screws right down here, and I'll get back to you on how that works out. You can tell my roof's got a lot of leaves and tree branches that fall off on this thing, and you can see on that side how we already collected. So I think a bigger angle would be the trick. The sample did not really provide, like, it looked like it lays flat, but when I got the real piece, it definitely at a side. I don't know if you can tell that from here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Anyway, that's our project for today. I'll let you know how it goes. Stay tuned.